lines.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by.
Sure and certain event.
Okay.
Impossible event.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Message.
Yes. What are numbers?
Numbers are the mathematical object which are used to measure anything.
Okay. Give the types of numbers.
Whole number, natural number, integers, rational number, irrational number.
Okay. And what are polynomials?
Polynomials are polynomial which are not in the form of LHS equal to RHS.
Yes. And what are zeros of polynomial?
The zeros of polynomial can be defined as it become zero after some steps.
Okay. What is discriminant in Sridharacharya formula?
Sridharacharya formula is minus b plus minus under root b square plus minus 4ac upon 2a.
Okay. If d equal to 0, then the roots are?
Two equal real roots.
Okay. And if d is greater than 0, then?
Two distinct real roots.
Okay. What are the applications of polynomial?
Finance, chemistry, curved fitting, physics and physics.
Okay. If give the conditions for intersecting lines.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
Okay.
Unique solution.
What are the conditions for parallel lines?
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2.
Okay. What is cumulative frequencies?
It is the total number of running frequency.
How many ratios in trigonometry? In the form of sine, cos.
Sine, cos, cosine,
Yes.
cosec,
Yes.
sec, cot.
What is line of sight?
The line of sight is drawn from the observation and the eye of observation and observation being viewed.
Okay. Eye of observer to the object. Okay. What is angle of incidence?
Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence, which is form angle of incidence. Angle of incidence.
What is angle of elevation?
Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is the angle between horizontal line and line of sight.
Okay. What is chord in circle?
Chord which touches 2 points of a circle.
And what is secant?
Which intersect 2 points of a circle.
What is diameter of a circle?
Diameter is the double of radius.
Probability में कितने टाइप के इवेंट होते हैं?
Elementary event, compound event, complementary event, sure and certain event, impossible event.
Okay. What is give the example of impossible events?
Impossible event का example सर जैसे कि जो जिसकी भी प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है वो जीरो ही रहती है हमेशा, मतलब 1 और 2 नहीं हो सकती है. जैसे किसी कोइन की हेड और टेल के अलावा कुछ नहीं आ सकता है.
What is the difference between polynomial and equation?
Sir, polynomial equation can be written as LHS equal to RHS and in equal to sign, but polynomial cannot be written as LHS equal to RHS or in equal to sign.
Okay. आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में एल्गोरिथम पढ़ी है ना, और लेमा भी पढ़ा, यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा.
यस सर.
तो आप बता सकते हैं कि यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा मतलब एल्गोरिथम और लेमा में क्या डिफरेंस है?
Sir, lemma a proven statement used for proving another statement.
Okay.
Or algorithm can be defined as a well-defined series of steps which is used for solving another problem.
What is your name?
My name is Vanshika Tar from 10th.
Okay. What is probability?
Probability is the ratio of number of favorable outcomes upon total favorable outcomes.
Okay. How many types of events are there?
There are 6 number of events.
Give the name.
Sure and certain event.
Okay.
Impossible event.
Yes. Okay, what is the difference between 2D and 3D shape?
2D means having length and breadth, and 3D means having length, breadth, and height.
Okay.
Example of 2D is square and 3D is cuboid.
Why diagonals are only present in cube and cuboid?
Because it is made up of straight lines.
Okay. If we have given a polynomial of degree n, then it will intersect how many times on x-axis?
It will intersect n time on the x-axis.
ओके इसका मीनिंग ये है कि जैसे अगर मान लो किसी पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री 2 है तो वो x एक्सिस पर कितने टाइम इंटरसेक्ट करेगा?
2 time.
ओके व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन लाइन एंड लाइन सेगमेंट?
A line is a simple line, or line segment means it starts with at a point and end with point.
टाइप्स ऑफ algebraic मेथड?
There are 3 types of method: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method.
ओके